Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing a book actually. This is something that my friend Jedimanda wrote, and she was kind enough to send me a copy to share with all of you. There is a giveaway involved if you guys stay till the end of this video. But for a couple minutes, I'm just gonna flip through it real fast. I haven't had the chance to do this yet. I kind of went like really quickly, but I want to take like a slightly more involved view. So this is Creative Cosplay, Selecting and Sewing Costumes Way Beyond Basic. Your guide for making your first cosplay, attending a con, and taking it to the next level. And first of all, the freaking pictures are super good. I recognize a lot of these. Some of these are, oh, it's me! Wait, hold on. Wait, I'm in here. Ah, it's me. Well, obviously I recommend this because I'm in it now. So this is actually the cosplay competitions section. And that was kind of what I was getting to, is that this isn't just about, oh, I'm starting out with cosplay, what fabrics do I pick? It's kind of about starting out with the community almost. So like if we look at the contents here, okay, more great photos of great people that I know. Yep, so this is Pitchfork Cosplay, I love her. This is Silhouette Cosplay, also love her. Ganoza Cosplay, also love her. Me. This is awesome. This is a lot of Alexandra Lee's photos, and they are boss. But anyway, as I was trying to say, the contents, we have what is cosplay, choosing your costume, getting started, with pattern in hand, creating garments, embellishing, which sounds very nice, finishing touches, wigs and shoes, convention time, cosplay competitions, cosplay photography, and then making a burn bag for cons. So the book kind of starts out with, all right, let's get started with cosplay, and then it kind of gets into, well, what can I do now? I've got my costume. How do I go to cons? How do I go to contests? Which I think is really fun because, you know, cosplay is a lot about making your costume, but it's also about community and participating with other people. So I really like how that's included in this getting started guide because, you know, it's nice to get started with just costuming stuff, but if you're kind of really wanting some tips from someone who's been very involved in the world of cosplay for a long time, Jedimanda is a really good person to talk about that. She's done a ton of contests and goes to a lot of conventions. I'm gonna look at the contest section. Oh yeah, so yeah, here she is right here, winning the central qualifier in, I wanna say 2018. I hope that's right. Is that right? Yeah, it is right. C22 2018. Cool. And then photography, I think, is a section that people get stuck on. I know for me, like, you know, 4, 5, 6 years ago, I was like, cool, I have all these costumes. How do I get photos of them? How do I approach people and do it? And what I ended up doing is not approaching anybody. I just ended up taking the photos myself. And I wish I hadn't done that, kind of. So I really appreciate how we've got like an interview with Alex here, and then also kind of like a guide on what your expectations for shoots should be. It's probably like how to reach out to people, how to talk to them, like what the kind of unspoken rules are about that. So I definitely appreciate that a lot. This is a cool little book. I like this a lot. Where can I get this? This is $25. And I know it's going to be available like on Amazon. You can get it pre-order there. You can also probably pick it up at, I think Walmart and Target and Joann's are going to carry it. But if you are interested in the ebook version, that is for sale. Or you can participate in the giveaway that Jedimanda is running. I get to give away one winner at the end of the day today. So if you are interested in receiving this ebook, you can like this video, subscribe to me, and also comment below on a costume that you are looking forward to making in the future. I'm also running this on Instagram as well, so if you want double the chance to enter, you can do it there too. But yeah, just leave a comment below with what you would make in the future and if this book would help you out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this really small walkthrough, and I hope you enjoy this book. This is so cool. I'm gonna like go find myself again.